Hi everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Focus Studio. Today I'm going to do a video about Dimash, but I'm going to actually pointing out the voice and certain techniques he uses. Since he uses almost everything, I thought it's gonna be a good video actually to understand the different registers and techniques what he uses. I'm trying not to stop the video. I know you guys you don't like it, but unfortunately, when it's about now, it's not analysis. It's more about actually the technique and the voice. So I'm trying my best here, but yeah, sorry for that. All right, so let's do it. I chose SOS, the latest performance in the Emmy Gala. Let's do it. He's starting on falsetto. I'm sorry. Here, actually, it was a very gentle difference between falsetto and head voice. It's really close to each other. It's hard to tell actually sometimes when he is using a breathier head voice, but this was very close to each other. Then he goes down into chest voice. Head voice. Back to chest. Head voice. Falsetto. And the reason why actually I want to stop here because this is actually very important and I can't stress enough that there is a difference between falsetto and head voice. So many people use these terms interchangeably, and they think it's actually one thing. No, falsetto is one register, head voice is another register. It's two different registers. Falsetto resonates here, head voice resonates here. And he actually uses the switch so smoothly between the two. Head voice, obviously. Mix. Mix voice. Light. It's a very strong mixed voice. Almost close to belting. The border. Back to chest. Head voice. Universal register.
Pourquoi je te fais? Pourquoi je meurs? Pourquoi je ris? Pourquoi je pleure? Je crois
this is back to chest. It's more. This is the definitely classical approach. So it's not the modern way of using the chest voice. Falsetto. Finishing falsetto. He's basically using, yes, from chest to falsetto, head voice mixed, and belting as well. Switching from classical to modern, as I mentioned before, but the way he does it is so incredibly smooth that it's not something actually that happens too often. And to be honest, I don't think I've seen anybody being able to switch from one register into not actually, well, all the registers actually he uses, like from the chest, the falsetto, the mix, the head voice, it's all the five actually what he's using, 4 or 5 he's using. It's so incredibly smooth, including the style change, like modern to classical. It sounds very different when he uses his chest in a modern way and when he uses his chest in a classical way. It's very, very different. So he's a very good example to learn to sing from, if that sounded correct. So because he's, yeah, absolutely, you can hear everything. But again, please don't mix up the falsetto and the head voice. It's a big difference. I really hope actually this video helped you, and sorry for the interruption, but unfortunately I had to. So if you have any other requests for Dimash or for anyone else, please post below the video. I am happy to do it. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.